Home renovation ideas. Open concept living. Say goodbye to cramped, segmented spaces and hello to a more spacious, interconnected home. Removing walls not only creates a visually appealing environment, but also improves natural light flow, giving your home a modern, airy feel. Kitchen upgrade. A kitchen upgrade can transform the entire feel of your living space. From modern appliances to stylish countertops and smart storage solutions, the possibilities are endless. Luxurious bathroom. We're talking walk-in showers, freestanding tubs, and modern vanity setups. Elevate your daily routine with these stunning renovations. Creative storage. Maximize your space with creative storage solutions. Small spaces can pose a challenge, but with built-in shelving, under-stair storage, and multifunctional furniture, you can make the most of every inch. Statement wall. Whether it's an accent paint color, textured wallpaper, or reclaimed wood panels, a statement wall can transform the entire vibe of a room.
Ready to find your dream home? Sanjeev Malik, your trusted Realtor. Call now.